What I'm going to talk about in this video is what you're going to be looking at once you initially open up AutoCAD LT. Once you open up the software, however you might do that, from a desktop icon or from the start menu or from the taskbar along the bottom, doesn't matter. Once you open it, this is what you're going to be looking at. Okay, what you're looking at initially is something called the Start tab. Okay, the Start tab starts out looking at the Create page. There's also a Learn page down here. If I pick on Learn, a whole pile of different videos come up. I'm not going to go into depth here because I'm creating my own videos. It'll just be another person's viewpoint on how to do it. These were all created by Autodesk. They're very good, but they're not going to be as specific as I'm going to get in my series of videos. If you're upgrading from a newer or from an older version of LT to a new version, you can look at this new features overview. But we're not going to be dealing with this. We're going to go back to the Create page of the Start tab. The Create page is divided up into three different areas. The first area is Get Started, and of all these different choices, the only thing we're really interested in is working with a template to start a brand new drawing or open an existing file. Okay. Over here on the right are, think of it as, or in the middle I guess I should say, is shortcuts to recently opened files, and because we haven't really opened up any, Autodesk just gives us some of their sample files to choose from. These will get replaced as we work with some of our drawings on our own. On the far right is an area called Connect, and honestly not too many people have ever used this. We can just ignore it like the rest of the world. Coming back to the Create, or excuse me, to the Get Started area, we're going to ignore these last three. We're never going to play around with them. And just to get going, to get started, as it says, I'm going to pull the templates drop down, and I'm going to start a brand new drawing using no template and imperial units, not metric units. So I'll pick that, and we are now into a drawing, and we're now ready to go on to the next video.